So when I first did this hairstyle, I was kind of going for this messy, careless, loose, jumbled twist type look. But as the weeks are progressing, I just want a little touch up. Just want to show you guys how to go from this to this. So first I'm going to start by taking out the twist completely. Just, let it go, start fresh. Throw away the whole twist. Okay? No, I'm kidding. We're going to use the hair. My hair tends to look like this pretty quick because I don't braid my hair very tight. If your hair is in longer than a week, you'll notice a little bit of buildup. So to break that down, I'm just using the Giovanni leave-in conditioner. And I could have used a spray bottle to start, but I'm going to start with the conditioner and rub that into my hair and rub it into my scalp just to give myself some moisture. And the slip from the moisture will help prevent damage while detangling my hair with a denim brush. This step's not necessary, but anytime I see frayed ends, I always like to trim them because I know they just travel up and just damage and suck out all the moisture from my hair. So I'm going to go in with the TGIN Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. I'm going to rub that in my hair. That's the white stuff. And then I'm going to go in with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I have the extra dark. I'm not sure how much of a difference that makes. But I rub it in starting with the ends and then going up to the root. And I use it to also moisturize my scalp. So I'll massage that into my scalp as well. Now I'm going to go in and use some black rubber bands. There's really nothing special about the brand. I just like to be visual. So I'm going to take that section of my hair and I'm going to wrap the rubber band as close to my root as I possibly can without being too uncomfortable, and just make sure it's tight and secure. So pay close attention. I'm taking the hair that I just took out the twist from, and it's separated in 3 sections. That's just how the Marley hair comes. And I twist it around and then push my thumb through so that I have I'm able to pinch my section, or the section of my hair, along with a piece of the extensions. And I just start to braid. I like to braid the roots because I feel like it gives a neater look and more of a hold. So once I've wrapped the hair a few times in a sturdy braid, then I'll start to twist the bottom. And also as I finish this section of hair, you'll notice it sticks up a bit. It's fine, it's normal, just when the hair is tight, it sits like that and it'll get settled once I'm done. And so as you can tell, there's a huge difference between how the braid is sitting on my hair, and it just cleans up everything. I'm just going to go back in and fix up those braids I'm touching right there, the twists I should say, and show you guys the final results. So there we go. I didn't do my whole head, I just did the ones in the middle just because I'm only going to leave my hair in for another week and then I'll probably take it out. But I just thought, I don't know, I felt like I should start looking a little bit more decent looking for this last week I have the hair in. And that's really it. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Stay beautiful and stay blessed.